video actually so be to mako 200 but Kennedy to abawie ye no wona akogina aka say abato no ye free emfe da bia me kan say Kennedy Japan no any angisi wo contract say opese o say MPP na ogu MPP ho fi amanfo ntiase producer bo babi a okoka say abato no eye free emfe no na wia enasem na okan ye no ya boy no so fatudwa
MPP Mr. President, the First Lady, the Vice President, the Second Lady, Chief of Staff, National Chairman, Council of Elders Chairman, Election Committee's Chairman, my colleagues, aspirants, all protocol observed. Indeed, it's a great day today. I believe the party has been fair and transparent. Yes! That is the only thing I've always been preaching. And I must admit, this election is fair. And my grassroots have spoken. And therefore, I accept the results in good faith.
DJ Sky.
I pledge my support that we're going to work tirelessly to break the AIDS. So, party members.
Ose, ohunso bito mako 200. And now can we UTV. Oso bito mako 200 over video. Sani pano ne jina hoa ose abato ono ne ye free and fair. And so now call UTV no. Opeso go MPP ho fi ma wiase nyina ho se MPP nye no. Osi obito mako 200 over video. Na constituency na nkasa ne delegates Abronye yesen. Obi the proxy one constituency. Now one person to mako 200 a Kennedy wo video. Now unim sa electoral fraud. Now unim sa presiding officer na say returning officer on what rational na besin ne untimin fa video no Ghana police service uwie ya wakokasa abato no na ye free and fair 2023 nei uko UTV you paso damage egu MPP animas nti wo so video no so a besin ne oni video bia oboa or can dey egu MPP animas because or ye adwuma dey ama NDC producer bonnet asem o kan wo UTV mayinti
2023 a choir omu faso even that I got 37.4%. This time, Sakwan, you have chance. They use the EC. We say EC, it me free. Boss, need to be free. EC now, or polling station. Also, opening MMM zero. No man instructions. Faring Rama one candidate.
Hey,
MMM zero.
2023.
Yes, I have all the evidence. In the video, Wale, I will mention it. Wale, I got 92 votes. Now, Omuka immediately na obi yishen botomo.
Hey,
yeah, and we have the videos.
Maybe
and the chairman himself met me at Kutuka International Airport. So Kajem said, they promised Papa no 100%. Into me, be the number go monimase. Into no mam zero.
They promised, most definitely, they promised Dr. Alhaji.
in the video, Walwale, I will mention it. Walwale. I got men, but I'll make sure, say, I will guard against rigging. Okay. The only alternative will be rigging. And I want to assure them, say, they shouldn't try it.
Talking about rigging, no, and you may be one ma, Obeka say, a young popoye. I would when you get your own say, so one ya she rigging because one big statement say, you want free and fair elections.
Yes.
Bibi one will be a done idea. Rigging.
Yes. Ebine proxy. The last time, Obi to me to proxy baku 200.
Nipa baku 4.
Yes. Obi to baku 40. Election now all controversy. Election
in the constituency
himself as an example. Say any proxy 40 or the go
proper trial bito mako 200. And possible say nobody will even send give one person 200 proxy. And nipa bako proxy when it should not be more than 5. And okrano esa law no ye. Esa law no ye. Esa any kwan say more than 2. Yes. Any kwan say more than 2. 5 kra makwachiri. 200 e bin sit da. Say a man nipa bako kita proxy e mako 200 nye nokore. E tro na odi. Na okoduru honom no na omo gina ho hwe no na okọ na ogina ho ne yate oduru ya se o meme nko ameto 200 eni ne wate bi da one constituency because proxy in yate ne say so bi wo mo sama trona Kennedy dini na mba kire mu no Kennedy is saying say Saufa biti se dome kwa benya ha meme wana. Enipa mako dome kwa benya omo ya about 1,400. Ene to aba. Canada is saying say enip da ye to aba no. Enipa be se 200 eni ho mu tu kwan. Na omo tu kwan no. Wo mu proxy no, wo mu de ma nipa baako. Womo di proxy e di man nipa baako constituency ho entimi ma say enipa 200 ni nyina no ebe wo one polling station because polling station bia no womo dodo ye 200 in every polling station bia no womo ye nipa 5 in every polling station womo ye nipa 5 enti e ba ne sign ena nipa baako na nipa 200 woman free one polling station woman team identify nipa baako say ye nipa 200 no ye wa kwantom ye tutu kwan me wa boarga me watamale me wo yendi me watakora de mentimi ma meto aba nti ya boa ne nyina no de ama nipa baako say onkoto nipa 200 atukwan entimi ma say one constituency say nipa 300 na eto aba ye si 200 ni ho enti proxy no ye de ama nipa baako nipa 200 there one say who di tra na oyira fi ho so eye me aso na megu wani mase eno na obeka say baomia na hyase ha wa men kantro me baomia ntimi nhyamase say entimi kantrem say Kennedy udi tra me ma expose you Dr. Mahmoud baomia obo akohoma me nso me bo akohoma said ya wo frɛ me katre me say Professor Ajimai Atefa NIA contract Ghana card ya wanya uka say yense na yenwu na nimase a wo ma me sika me sisa adwuma mentimi nye no saa so na ba omi aso frɛ me ya se me nka wasama maka chenze mentimi nye what you say said ya mentimi katre wo wanim se me say Professor Atefa ne en say ne china because of who interest no Sasu na baomia kachira me say menka wo Kennedy agyapong asama I will tell him in the face say menye but what trobia wo be di bia wo Ghana had so far as MPP presidential election eye concern no eye me ma Abronye na me ye be mamua baomia control me said you want man control me wo kachira me say men say Atefa amanye no e so hu say baomia ntimi control me what you say wo bo akohoma ma ayi Chrisia me so me bo akohoma ma Porsche papa bi sa so na ba omi aso bo akohoma ma Samira papa bi enti ba omi antimi nka kira me say wo Kennedy wo me wo you doesn't exist. You Kennedy, you doesn't exist in my life. You doesn't exist in my life. Kawo tro na udie na me no me gu anim ase. You know you doesn't exist say me kwa kwode wo ho pa. Ananim sa Kennedy Japan you doesn't merit. Say the Asibawumia doesn't exist, you know. Kennedy Japan so doesn't merit in my life. Sama kwa jeno ho pa na mom ne tra waye na dwen se obesai MPP no me ankasa on my own me kwaso expose no me bo akoma so bo akoma ba me bo akoma ntime ma obi a bo akoma ma me control me ma bra me ye kingdom hananim Dr. Mamono ba me ananim say Abronye ye kingdom and who Kennedy nankasa you know say me na ye kingdom na me uru. And to ultimate control me. Ultimate control me. Katama ufra me say me ko destroy Atefa Mau because contract no about $800 million. And to me $50,000. Na me timi say no na say adwuma na maso na omo de mawa. Obama me sika kese en me catch us I won't do it. And to one mere no cry so hun say akwa we no bunu ho or de no ho o wonyansa. What is $50,000 for me? O kaya me catch us on abo sa niama we nde ye de yatra ho. Ye de yatra ho. Now ofra me no fi say me ye village boy bia. Me no me hu $50,000 ya. No akwaje China fo sika ama China fo no man pressure. Say adwuma no omunya no omuye Ghana card no because no nkwa no person ye about $800 million. Enti na why what sa $800 million no and na dignity dem a odikodi tro say presidential primaries no obi friend say only $800 million. Obwa Ghana card no ono company okofa baaye no company ni say omuye a ombaji $800 million and e paja. And this $800 million no okwa demu kura na otimi sware tenam paso na okasa ye enti adwuma ya nyama so na ne yiri Christias na ka chense onna otimi sware na okasa te se na de bi na aye dan ayira e won paso e fa nitim enti ofra me no fi say oh Abronye nom de ma me pesika we ma na obeye Atefa ho adwuma 2 minutes. Na the way I osi jai can two table so 10 tens are 5. Me hwe ni say anam say wakwa we nu ufi say me no me yan boys ni bi omu $100 da wa hu you no wa gini say me ya boys ni bi a omu $100 da na omu didi wati pepa wo mpabo ho no I'm catching say I'm not going to do it menya if at that time 2018 the $50,000 I mean say Atefa manya and then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say who merit to me my Abronye no na mbaba kan no me say I've taken it upon myself say a trobia obedi I'll expose you nti eno wadwuma na me ye no enanwumre e dia ma me ye no fefefe ne feso e dia ma what you say owie ya no sanka say interview anoso no host no lady no oye very intelligent man ka ma me mo na baso na dwene mu da ho I wish Kennedy Japan mama no bisu benya nyansa sa because girl no nyansa se Kennedy Japan mama no bisu adwene mu do sa dia ene e beboa pa girl na niate na girl ne bisa na say onwa Kennedy ne kokukuru ba e say ne Abronye ye bia no ba omia na hye na se producer bo video no omuntie
how some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumia?
Me mean what that the crowd. My life, no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he exists and be the boy.
Okay.
That's how I see myself. What do I say? Ni Abronye munye nyina wo hwechire. But I just don't what do I say? Ni Abronye munye nyina wo hwechire. But I just don't want to say anything. No obi odidi matembia onim.
Harbor some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumiana.
Me ni one that they cry. My life, no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he exists and okay. That's how I see myself. What do I say? Ni Abronye munye nyina wo hwechire. But I just don't want to say anything. No obi odidi matembia I see myself. What do I say? Ni Abronye munye nyina wo hwechire. But I just don't want to say anything. No obi odidi matembia onim.
Harbor some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumiana.
Me ni one that they cry. My life, no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Ose ni Abronye ye bia no, Bawumia doesn't exist. Na Bawumia existing on the life man ko obedi bone. Ha, why na obekunu? Aya ofu ajawadwa. Bawumia doesn't exist. Na ko exist on no can the life man ko obedi bone. Ese Bawumia no taking note of this. Na se china binu. Ono ni diria. Why you very, very careful about him. Obi or see you doesn't exist. Na se o exist here. I want a life more obedi bonia. E just say tina bia or sirihwe wanima. Esum edinachi. And so you're very, very careful about that person. You're very, very careful about that person. Mimi nim no. Ye nim ni otimi ye. Ye nim ni pa ni otimi ye. Obi a wabie na no akase. You doesn't exist. Na se o exist here. Obedi bone no. Ye nim ni otimi ye. Ye nim kura no. Live TV, live program. Ose mo nkwa hwehwe ameswali. Mo bono na asemba metuaka. Na ne utimi katre a former vice president say on exist our life mo. Na so exist our life mo ubedi bone. Presidential candidate. Enya Abronye na eka. Okay, ose ne meme kan nyina no. Bawumia na hya kire a madika na kire mu say Bawumia control me bo akoma Bawumia so bo akoma. Sa so na wo so bo akoma ma krisi. Said your friend me say obi a me se menya odisika kan ho me gu wanim asese menye no saa so na Bawumia entimi nka se me nkose obi I won't do it but me ye wo me ho say me a senior member of the New Patriotic Party and me kwaso a senior entimi ntena se me am a senior member me wontimi nka kire se me ye hoho am people ka bi kire me na men kire se MPP no wo bedi musika na mo eba mo adwuma ma bom brachen wo Canada Japan odi ani atini ni ahunahuna na MPP ba wo de sesa nnuma men so be ka kire me sai men so me ye wo MPP mo na men kire se MPP mu ma bom brachen wo Canada Japan straight away ana de wo no wa say wo ko interview no o say Bawumia na se ase na baya no wonyansa pa obisa ase na ne na atosi so keka na muntie na okan ansama enkrofo kantia Bawumia nkuridi na atosi no muntie na Kennedy kan
recently you share your mama na atosi and you spell out doesn't mean say we were behind her until na kasa
na atosi ni onu na nam me no nafo
but say they was switch come
was switch no me onama na me nam ha me unim bibi aboa me me ntie social media
okay
me ntie news on say namba na me bisa we me nkai bi kura ho
recently you share your mama na atosi and you spell out doesn't mean say we were behind her until na kasa
na atosi ni onu na nam me no nafo
but say they was switch come
was switch no me onama na me nam ha me unim bibi aboa me me social media
okay
me news on say namba na me bisa
sama unipa na mo ne diriro wo no wo ya otiwe wo se wani ateche me ma Abronye wani ateche nkrofo na wo kasa kire o mo no wo se ni Abronye ye bia Bawumia na hyase no de wo hwe o social media wo hu ni wo nkrofo ka kire Bawumia de wo se en de wo nko social media Abronye de no hwe no wo mpaase someone Kennedy won say the one program one said the masia boboma tokuro and on na chese woni me diri are very, very careful ma bobako o si de Abronye ye bia ba omia na hyase unya me program no hwe no we ohia TV no agu net Can City Media anti kwamba nso na Kennedy faso tie ense ma me kan fa na ho mo misa na this question ye bisa na nwumere ni say Kennedy say on social media nanso wo hu ni Abronye ya ba omia na hyase me niam me yesu me ye no social media ento oya da neti obi a onko social media ba o say ni Abronye kan fa na ho bia ba omia na hyase ni e me kan so te say nwumere e social media ento oya da neti eduru say lady no ebisa na very intelligent question no o say ono Kennedy onko social media ntini na to see kan onte that is a person eduru say binumu di atemma no e kasetia ba omia no o so onko social media but eduru Abronye de so de wa social media kwa kohu wanim aguase unja wanim aguase anumere eniema mienu amede asi ani woda fam enti san kotie wo interview no na hwe double standard a wa play wan ko interview no we na ukoye no aboa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign ama yenya adade burum yenya adade tutuma tokuro na wo nkrofo na edi wachi no wo nkrofo na edi wachi ye ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enko ye interviewer obewi akire na tokuro dam but wo nkrofo na edi wachi o mo ye nkra say ye game when no mo nka ho enti e ba ayi political experience ya emu oduru pa say ye bisa we answer nie ye bisa we answer nie ye bisa say ni say wo ntimi nye saade na ma ho ba ye no bi ye ogolo ana ye si ho because ye bisa say Abronye de wo kohwe no wo he because me show no anya bosomfie no wakasa wo ba bisa ansa na wo hu se me ye show e social media ana wo Kennedy wo hwefiri ana say Bawumia na abo me pa ana ya bisa say na tosi so kwana ofa so didi Bawumia atem no o say eno de wo nko social media na tosi nam ha wo so nam ha na me ne Bawumia na ko campaign Abronye ne Bawumia na ko campaign bom afa na me betiasim Christmas akọ 5 northern regions but bia atia fam me basante region be ye part of the constituencies no me betia fam akọ ahafo akọ brumu is 120 by 120 fa na tochi ni brase na tochi no eba MPP politics won me ye pa wo da onko na me so me nko ni entinsim ni who is who say MPP politics no won krafo no bia no ebetima manteme wan kasa you know na 2023 wo ko lusu aba no wie ye no wa na wo ka say ade ye wo ya pa ne sa Abronye and lead campaign because something nyina no Abronye na ebetima ka Kennedy wanum ton wo say ade a ye wo ya pa ne say Abronye and lead campaign and so kan be na wo lusu ye and wow kai say ukwa campaign ba bia na manfo bisa say na Abronye wo he Abronye afere no waye basa because wunim ne ntia manni wachi na menni wachi obi a otimi di sika to table so say men kwasa obi no me ma wo medi president me menni wachi na be president and dey menye ne nyina kan obi na mu say wunye ni papa ntia won follow you and wow wie ye no you said it say Abronye ni wachi so no am wow because ko ba bia omutim bisa se na Abronye wo he anti ese wa no utim no onim se akwa no ye ogolo anti ja kasa tintin Bawumia hwa me ye adwuma ma no e ha papa atimu pa na ebatimu so tati me nyate sima oh me se me dey just 2 weeks me finish 5 northern region wo bate ho asem wo pa ma unkofo na wacheche niam ma amunisia ma omo mesia me ho ne emfa nsia ni wo ho ye no bi ne de ya homa ten ye nam ye wie ena nwumre ne ye de wie ono ankasa producer bo ona bo adwo asafo a video no ne hwe ade ne emfa nwie
do so sing emema kugudu wo kwa yi candidate Wobiana no anu odi ma matter. Maybe some question. Me Masamba Yawagana. What is the honorable Kennedy Agyapong or do you matter? Or send me one year. Magia bicycle. And I go for the so. And I be useless. And I make a bunch of anymore. I want to meet me. Or can you ever promo her? Who will do? And the videos are there. It's one here. Now, for any busy basa. And this is what kinds of women number. None the records know what they are including me. I never would be. Now, one way there. Imagine your door. Those who sing in Mema. Who will do?
Tio. A man ne yiri Christi ne yiri ankasa de stera wesen a Japan Kennedy ne yiri Kennedy Japan ne yiri panyini no oye obia or discriminate sa ne yiri panyini de stella wesen a Japan ana wa pack na sinten no odi Christi ne nam so na ye first lady eno na adwo asafo ebisa se one dia on kasa ntokwa no ho bi otene ba bi dweno na mom ono mpa one na wo mienu wadidi na tema wo a one wo nwo da no onyawa de na ode be ye obeye waten afia Schwarzenegger mi amenu aba afia Schwarzenegger obeye waten no obeye waten mi amenu aba afia Schwarzenegger oti asiye but odi afia Schwarzenegger gina ho ene ba ya one na wo a wate ahoma wo TikTok we su ya hwan pa na ne hotwa sa wo hwe ne yire ba ku ya wate ahoma e wo TikTok we su ya omu MPP for timika se MPP delegates eye moa obi a one Kennedy Japan wo ne yire ba ko ona ate ahoma wo TikTok no so no one no woba Saudi Safna ni jina ho now tema Kennedy D afia Schwarzenegger now the afia Schwarzenegger jina ho now the saboda ni jina ho a one Kennedy gusu wo ho na hwan pa na no hotwa yanka nokore nti se de adu asafo ebisa ne se mimpa one me wo ma mienu otimi de me to fam di matam dia mo amose women's delegate na ne yiri hia women's delegate no onyamo a obeye mo setosa yewie de omunima ne social media tro eye former chief of staff Madam Frema Osei Opare ade ababa tudwa se Kennedy Japan campaign team fryer na omode nam se wadwan no mo campaign bia no nokre ba kokora nim enti MPP fo mo montongo na oboa se mahwe ne campaign a ne campaign team no nam se campaign na tonsuo mu nti wo ha no ma ye flyer so ye connected but ni nyina ye disconnected wo ha no ma ye flyer this region where you connected Kennedy bedru region wana nipa na ye disconnected ye bisa say 16 regions and Crawford bebre na mo ye flyer at the beginning of the campaign say womo ye connected womo ye connected but Kennedy bedru sa region no na sa Crawford no nyina ye disconnected moni nwasem Kennedy bedru region na mo say enipa no ye connected no mo beduru region ho no na nipa na ye disconnected and so still mani nwasem ebi na asia makoye fake flyer and the chef former chief of staff Madam Frema Akosua Opare oba panyini awa ba ye na dwuma papa bia wie tiba bi adwene ne ho na mo campaign na tonsuom na ne campaign no atonsuom enti moye flyer and a former chief of staff Madam Akosua Fremos Osei Opare eye connected to say ababe todwa say eye disconnected enti mbaye dey mo ye dishonest mo kan nokore mo nimo gu as campaign atonsuom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia focus ne nkrofo no ye focus ye nkoye ba force flyer emfa ma obi say wadwan ne boda bi enye saade no. We will deal with the polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, regional and constituency, and the entire delegates. Motuaba ne ria wakwa kwatena babi aditro no aditro emotion say I abatoɔ no obi to 200 obi to say ne nyinaa so entronko a I mean obi a or 200 no aha nani aso no boa minimum be or 200 and so no boa obi anto sa a troka chen say ana me wo videos na mo so oboa abana ye to ye constituency na region bia ni 2023 asema Kennedy kan ye e wo UTV say onimobia baakofo to mako 200 say lie, and this is the data. Prozi ahafu region omo 2 prozi 11. Asante region omo 2 prozi 195. Bono region omo 2 prozi, the whole Bono region omo 2 prozi 6. Bono is obian 2 prozi. Central region omo 2 prozi omo 14. Eastern region omo 2 prozi omo 73. Greater Accra omo 2 prozi omo 206 and no 21 ama. Northeast Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia region Kennedy Agyapong so ni mo bi onu kwa 2 prozi mako 200 no prozi 2 nipa 2 and a 2023 nipa 2 pe o and so Kennedy say obi 200 prozi owo video oboa oya sa no ditro na say yeti Oman FM studio a otimi bowura no aka say ha kwabra na dem be ditro gu obi so kopin so mba ye de mepe sa no not here tam bia ye be wo Oman FM wo ho na bowura studio ho na watena se o kana sem wie ye pan no se nipa sumansi ma nitra ngu ne so sa enya de so de adwuma be ma me. Yes, enya de so de adwuma be ma me sa not into oboa. Northeast region enipa 2 prozi nipa 2. Northern region omo 2 prozi 4. Oti region dash. Savannah region no prozi. Upper East nipa 3 and a 2 prozi. Upper West nipa baako pe na 2 prozi. Volta region nipa 3 na 2 prozi. Western region nipa 1 and a 2 prozi. Western North obian 2 prozi wo ho. MPP headquarters external branch nipa 88 and a 2 prozi. O kan nyina boma womo ba yes total prozi omo gi prozi na yes 607 womo mba beto ye 563 nche say 44 error o man antimanyere anyeyi etimu misa Kennedy say region bank ana sa nipa 200 nko to sa prozi no constituency bank because data region by region 16 region headquarters can ho 17 and in producer for data no to ga na sa concern na onama opese o say MPP no yama manfo nyere amansan hu ni say MPP na no ahye da say obedi tro ase MPP producer me dey data na ma fato so bie na fato so ne yempon na Kennedy Agyapong tro kodi ye e wo YouTube UTV say onimobi oto prozi mako 200 no eno na kire se Kennedy ye trofo ne nsema okan na me wo information sa tro na no dia Ghana ha na manfo suro no ba ya ne ye ben no de ne anim se ye tro because crofo na Kennedy hura mu kroma nyina me kwamnam ni se ye tro because na adwuma no oba be hihye ewo Oman FM studio ho ne nyina ti obi no aba ba hihye we minister we me kan say ya fa no ho minister we me kan say ya fa no ho minister we me ye ni say me kan say e kena me the attack na Kodubiri house sa no aba ba oni evidence o kan no de ni sample table mu me saudi hu agora evidence ya me show no oboa until that ya ne ye ben ni anim say hey o kan wasema enkrofo no bi no wo ha ne ya from akoka say oboa enra na o hihye adwuma wo ho oboa oni hu evidence enti ma ya mo nhihye oboa oni evidence enkrofo no bebre na yenom ye from ka tram so oboa ujafo asema kan oboa oni evidence ma ya mo nhihye ba na manfo wa abonten a ye ti Canada dia se do si won krofo ho nsem oboa oni hu Osara no patutwiri ni si jina kwa ho no obi twa mane morning ya no ti asem ni bi wo na suma o se o kita information wo information che me ametia oni hu data na da ho no wo mo to proxy list 2023 mo misa Kennedy say constituency na o say enipa baako eto mako 200 on family because constituency bia now region bia no a ye two pros ye 200 Greater Accra pros na ye 206 edini mako 21 any register num enti ekoka almost 81 say 85 also our register 185 because 21 na free so na a new register from 206 until fancy koka 185 anti hono wa feri wa di trono no wo free hono ma 184 wo free hono ma the next region ana prozini doso e Asante region wo mo ye 195 enipa mako 6 no mo dini register num enti akoka nipa 189 Asante region okwa producer mamhwe ahafo o de bibia to ahafo region nipa 10 energy prozi omukwa hwe na ba ko dini any register num enti akoka nipa 10 headquarters enipa 88 yahwe na mako 10 any register num enti ekokoka 78 MPP headquarters external branch Western North ye 0 Western region eye 1 voter region enipa 3 na G prozi ye kohwe mu na ba ko dini ni register num enti eno anya adwuma no enti e ba ne se na nipa di tro sei Eastern region nipa 73 and J proxy wamokwa hwe na 3 din ni register num enti proxy na anya yie enti ekoka 70 enti Canada Japan sa nipa 70 ayi 200 na wo se nipa ba ko to 200 no fa ba kire ye o di tro too much o sa tro we no dia huna Ghana fo adi hu ahye Ghana fo mu wudi hu agura dia me de ba yaw wudi hu agura wo nsama me de ba sa no dia ahye Ghana fo mu o say Canada dia ye wey on nam kroma eya bodam ni ati adwuma na dia huna nkrofo ana moti kroma se musuro no unknown on information bia producer yam pon na nyame ya adoma eda fiera ye mawie ni yenhwe the following week say betimi atoa so a ye da twere da mpon kwa mena se na wukuyi waboye ho ban ni etimi di dwumadie aba awieye ye da nyankopon no ase interview bi kwaso eye Canada Japan any UTV etwetwe nkomo na yenso ya gimrei ya be set records no straight enya dia emu oden otimi di tudwa ne say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia en existe na Bawumia existe akonu Kennedy ni bedi bone wakama obi ate or say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't exist in his life na se Bawumia existe a nkonu Kennedy bedi bone wakana UTV ne yenim emre bi atwam ne wo kan ya yenkwohwehwe amasuali no omonhwe no na ne amasuali enka atiasefo ho na mom ya ka kire wo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't exist senka exist ya ka wo bedi bone no man na nwene da because wo nya obi you are nobody man na nwene da say wo ye bema na wo bema na ne mane ube mane ane mane say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia doesn't exist in your life nanka or exist here nka wo Kennedy ube di bone ne so de ye ka kire say bone a wadi mratenti na bone so de ube ko wuo asauti asiyesa ye bisano campaign on 2024 ama ne ka so campaign ye wo campaign ye na se wo se wo na Ghana fo bisa wa untimi kan kire ye say asin central e Togo because wo so campaign ye adema MPP enja se wo constituency na ye Togo wanko campaign eni ntire ma ye lusu ye nyesa wo constituency na ye Togo ntira wanko campaign wo ntira ma yelusu ye oba Bono region 2024 also campaign ye ya ka tira se Kodoma West o ka say Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe eye meme dance ni wo Kennedy so ye dance ni you can't deny wo ka tira yo Israel Hotel Ebra na bo 11 p.m. and I go say Doma West and Abekoma MPP are we in 2024 then ye belusu because there's no way wo do petro Ebeko Doma West akoye campaign ama Ali Mega because Ali Mega campaign against you nti campaign be na ye nti fatu baby ni atoso biem ube bia nyuma ba bia nyuma na ukoye yase bobo nyuma wo wo so bobo na GR4 e ba so wa akro ya so ye honest person obi a ye honest person bia no ye so honest no se oye adwuma oye open up etua ne taxes enti adenti ana osisi say de wo do companies ni bi esie because one fancy ne say wo body na GR4 be ba ho aba be tax wo so say we ye discipline wo see afre wo PAD patriotic honesty and discipline PAD wo see afre wo PAD patriotic honesty and discipline now be a wo ye patriotic no wanya akwanya ne yesi nemu companies dodo a wo a o se da bi companies ni de minemu a GR4 beba me ho aba be tax nti eno de minemu enti why na do oman a obiem company on tuato mfa ma oman no na ya patriotic honesty and discipline because oman bia say the discipline na chichere dia you have to pay your tax enti yeda one person wo so companies ya aka no ube nemu all because o nemu GR beba ho aba be tax eho no san koko wie say you are not a presidential material bia no obie company o make sure say the taxes obere obetua interview no mo me be board ne voice bi na reho obi a o say owo Ghana at heart enunti na opese obedi Ghana so na Ghana for Emma Bununtina Oba. The same interview nededue no or say onye MPBM no ne ho ton sanse pressure bi anye den eni ni so abusuafo sa baba ye president any MP mane na pressure so anyumrei ye intellectual discussion anya Canada Japan type of discussion and say ontimi intellectual discussion tino ono no kasa wia ye baba be bisa no questions ya efie nyansa suku nyansa de political sense ye den esan wom ni ye bisa no and now on UTV osise say ya onye MPBM no ne ho to no sanse pressure bia ni so amanfo enha na dwene one constituency a ukodi ye wo se wonye MPBM tema ho to but say there upese 276 constituency no uba betena so aye president. You are running away from one constituency because of pressure. Obia mesre osika biem nti se wo to but who dwana free one constituency a wo to no and now we say ye ma 276 constituency the end obetima di so. Producer but that video no mayenhwe
go now ubetimi didi for the rest of your life. And my woman yes as a winner MP. Now me who to me pa. Intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice. Although nipa ba me nchen no school fees and my won dia to and I say uba pe me se ko MPO.
They say they won't call a sabio.
Now me who to me pa. Intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice. Although nipa ba me nchen no school fees and my won dia to and I say uba pe me se ko MPO.
They say they won't call a sabio.
Winner MP. Now me who to me pa. Intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice. Although nipa ba me nchen no school fees and my won dia to and I say uba pe me se ko MPO.
They say they won't call a sabio.
Go now for the
Tafero biatibi se no ba pa obesere ni bibia o se ko afede mabre Montio na UTV interview anti MPP fo na mutu bu faso no nyina mo se Canada one constituency o se wabre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ade emre waje ready say obe serve Ghana na wa serve Ghana ye na wa serve the new patriotic party any emu mma nyina ye nti on de omre Canada say wabre nti mo man ntena se ampipi fo madaroma me bua papa na ne video me dia ba abonten say ene ono an ekoka na UTV say se no obi abesre na dia no aka chom se mo fama se mo nkoma bre one constituency asin central nche se sa no ye obi akọ ne 2024 no apam no aka kire se enyem na me gina aba samote obi akọ ne nchen a no aka kire o mo se I am not the parliamentary candidate enti me akọ ene ma ye di lusu seat no. And now we be na numa kachire MPP fo nyina say only MPBM ne ho aton san say obi ama mesre na de enso oba wo constituency e wo Sablugu oba wo constituency e wo Sampa German North German South Doma West Doma East Doma Central Time Wanchi Sunyan East Sunyan West Brekum East and West oba ye no obeka ano dewa banda nyina obeka nsema de ka kire mo se waye ready se mo party for no obeboam na montio eni party ma wo ya polling station executives aye say Sunday e wasin central wo mo na Canada Japan pam wo mo se e ma mo man nche mesra de bi no wabre se ne ho to no na modi tumi kwakose ne nsa 276 ya dia na obeka kire mu one constituency o say no wabre obi aba ne nkyɛn no wapam omo so omo nkɔ. He's not the MP. 2024 nyina omo ba or say I am not the parliamentary candidate. Go to the parliamentary candidate mo no awo omatiko. Because on person obi be ba be di MP e wa Asin South wo Asin Central aka ne ho. That is Kennedy Japan for you. And now we're being a num anti baby or Western region, Western North. I have for Bono East. The 5 northern region, central region, our Ninam Greater Accra. Now all Ghana num Ninano and ne Onyankopon apana sentoma. I'm on no bien and no akase. A man for ban in Kenya. Or catch Roman says, "On to me, Mwabim, no abre." This is the presidential candidate. Obia upper president here, dear. Now, or sister said, "The only MPBM in the whole tunnel because pressure be a man, so a man for Serenisika, so on farm more mobium no." Or say, or getting Ghana for now. As I say, no Ghana problem, Ninano, constituency baku problem. 1 months, wow. 1 months, what? And there will be an anwaka send hotono. Or Baba catch ye say, I fed the Ghana nyina obetimaswa e nada. Producer repetitive interview no be na dedo.
Rest of your life. And my woman yes as a winner MP. Now me who talk to me pa. Intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice. Although nipa ba me nkyɛn no school fees and my would ya to and I say uma pɛ me se kɔ MPO
they say they won't come inside you
because now ubetimi adidi for the rest of your life and my woman yes as a winner MP now me who talk to me pa intimate I don't look nice apart from my voice
Niatia ne say se say no oluku nice. Because Asin Central problem na problem bi omo ba opama omo enti wo te bandana se so wo Canada Japan ti o osise se Asin Central fo ba ne nkyɛn a opama omo sanse oni adajo de ba bo mbe se oni MPBM ne hoto no nti wo te bandana wo huri boso wo to fa so wo te sampa wo huri fa so na te wo te German South wo huri fa so se ye Canada tie o se onye MPBM no tie o ono ananu masemo o se menye MPBM no me hotom because say no me constituency no ba na mapama omo ti say no me wo de medi kopem se mewu nti me ebia asem emfa me ho na wa wo German South wa wo German North wa wo Doma West wa wo Doma Central wo huru boso no wo na Kennedy bedweno ho wa wo Northern region, wow, Volta, wow, Oti region, wow, Greater Accra. I can't didianum ganamno, one hour back, Tio, Asin Central, 4 corner in Kenya, or she say, on ye MPB on to me, wow, and so ne on nam, catch them so babuama, Sassam will craft for 2 hofo, Nafatu waba. Sa video way. Enkwano etre say upia jero ho kwatwa bane ne kasiemu efama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia on the 31st of January 2026 be Canada Japan so wabre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so mre if sa some one constituency na sa also wabra na wo ba be catch the police station for say yemfa 275 constituency in ka how possible enye ye adofo MPP for amumpia kotoaba madawroma from the horse's own mouth no say onu se say ni constituency omwa omo ba no apam omo from the horse's own mouth o say ni constituency Asin Central womo ba no apam omo because ntimi mo omo and so we Greater Accra we see Canada Japan dia ba boa me Oti Asante region, Osi Canada Japan na mi dina chia obeboa me. Oti Western region, Osi Canada Japan na mi dina chia obeboa me. But nipa ne say, Asin Central for ba ne cha no apam omo because say no. onye MPBM 20 me mo afa so ne ho santo no se onye MPBM obi a ne ho to no se onye MPBM no o se the whole Ghana problem you know betima so a wugidi ayentro ene nada ne nyankopon ene ma ne koye sa interview no na nyankopon apa ne to ase entoma momfa ntomutim ne ode ye asen central fo mponia na ne watima bie na no aka se wono ane nkofo ba ne nta no apam omo because say no abre oni MPB nto omo dia na the whole Ghana a onama order da mo no obeboam dia ye wasema ye wie ya no na ye nwie osane kan say abato no Reagan ebekoso na 2023 no mu wia mu ehwa na obi ahun se Canada Japan yo obi a onka nokore o se 2023 Reagan ye den ekoso na this time no ne ebesi so mu di hu agro mbedwane se ne edi kan eniema wo de fra wo eniema na wo nkokofunu no free Holland ba eniema foforo ka ho a wo de afra eba wa ye wadwen se abato no odi chaos beba nti waboa ho a wo kasa wo se ne ebesi me ka me papa Kofi 9 no me so me ka me papa Kwabena 9 se mranti a waboa mo ho constituency si a wa ye wadwen se odi chaos beko wo mo di tuo be hye o mo ho akototo atuo aye 31st no ye ready twam Canada Japan me catch that will nessa also count papa Kofi 9 me come papa Kwabena 9 say wo mrantie na waboa mo so mo di tuo ebe toto across so ba bia on the 31st no ye ready twam na D-Day no ana also be hun say enya wo nko anasum ewo tim be ready for that say what do you say internet say or kasa or say MPP for ntiase say ye ni power be enti ni besi enti ofi say obenya NDC support say Canada Japan kasa montie ni yo or say MPP ni power be enti maboa me ho say die besi hwinti ni besi ni say who are true 31st no wo di be ye ntutrasem who are two wo dia fra wo coastal no enam na eba no atuo fra why you wadwen say on the 31st no now people for take notice of what I'm saying. Just take note of what I'm saying. Say on the 31st January 2026 some constituencies mobati say etu ototoa ekoso no eye Canada Japan ne ye ready for him. They are ready for him. And until na all kasano and I say MPP for ntiase say ye ni power nti me ma boa me ho say me ka me papa Kofi 9 me so me kam papa Kwabena 9 say constituency say why say wo de o mrante no be call with the support from NDC on be basabasta no ye ready. Anya unkwa na wo ye crazy nya unkwa na ye mad person ye nyina ya bodam na mo matade na hye nti sa wo ye wadwen sa wa bodam na address yi a yenso ya bodam yenso address yi nti 31st na wo se wo kaw papa Kofi 9 so mo tra de besi no waboa ho asie dada yenim yenimatu a wo be cha ma mrantie bi atoto atuo awo some constituencies yenim bantoma ka ho bi Katie Hammond constituency ka ho bi most of the constituencies here any regions here wo hwa ba omia ba we ni bia no why you wadwen say sa tututo no be cause the confusion about all because open the backing and support of the NDC. But wait and see me can't pray what say what boy why you ready na say MPP need power until you can do whatever you want to yeah party for no yen try better say ya bodam achem what say Baumia doesn't exist na Baumia wu ya better say 31st Baumia tiase sa asem na wo kan yen try say Baumia doesn't exist na Baumia wu what the kanaka say Baumia tiase a wu be dia wu enti a wu die no wa postpone to 31st na ye count 31st na so utim huna bia na wo no awu aja wadwan sem bi wo ha said the only Casano until who ye be a musa bramanima. Nabe wo so wa batie na wo so say mekra mo sem ye bem wo Canada ye be a musa bramanima ne yemfam face obetima ba. So 10 seconds. What 10 seconds wo manim now survive wa. And niema binu wo ha and can't me no and I'm ye bema and I'm so 10 seconds e wo manim now wo ye biam say yem fancy now 10 seconds e wo manim now survive what oh and niema wo questions bisa me nananom no kra de baako said the usi kasa wo ye bema and I'm actually nipa so 10 seconds ye biam say me no ye yem fan wo so na so 10 seconds e wo manim maybe some nananom questions. Maybe some more questions. And Tiajanum Gano. Na Ukwatra UTV also 2023. Womu viamu no be cry to me to 200. Near the Kawunya presidential material. Niantia Wunya presidential material and say every presidential material beyond him say electoral intimidation, electoral fraud, a criminal offense. Me ameti Canada Japan me there will say South me the video ba a say nipa ba ko to mako 200 me the same video no ebe ko police station akwa case e me ya chisa nipa kro. I am challenging you Canada Japan to produce the video a say nipa ba ko to mako 200 na obi to 200 police station na okwato 200 no na Abronye who did try na uyira fi ho ne di kan enipa ba ko to 200 babia okwato 200 no na the entire Abron no ayesen se 200 no kra wan to no fa ko na se oto no 5 constituencies here driving hours ana intervals no ayesen once we did throw ani maguase. Because there's no way Obibe imagine Fako. Atwa ba mako 200 say a proxy. Now, how many hours? Other delegates now more to abandon United imagine ho. And now you create one polling station the amano. Canada Japan polling station in the same. Nipa ba ko 200. Once you did try. Also a bit to mako 200 our video. Selfie say president dear as say who say a crime say bako for betwaba and mako 200 because electoral fraud is a serious crime. Electoral intimidation is a crime. When you now be out president you don't know. So and now you me appeal to you say Canada also cannot crana say trona wudi ediagu MPP animase enye MPP na opasa say ne dia the video now also wa e kire so bi to mako 200 2023 no mame men sanka video no me amatwe petition e de akwa electoral commission na me de Ghana police service na presiding officer na returning officer okay yema nipa ba ko to mako 200 no ono nso ye chine ma na ye so onima enti we nyina na eye tro na wudi